So I may be pulling the harvest right now for August, but this garden's not done. The growing season's over, but oh no, it's not. We get to stop with the summer plantings and harvesting, and we're gonna get ready for some fall seeds. I've got to do something with all these. You can't eat them all at once, so I think these are going to be canned. Maybe I'll make some tomato sauce, some tomato paste. I have heard that you can just freeze them, but I don't know. Maybe I'll try that for a couple of them, and then when in doubt, do a little bit of both. What's really funny about these tomatoes right here, this is a volunteer. I didn't even plant this. Came from last season, and it just started growing up. So either you have to have a lot of friends, have a big party that you're cooking for, or you're preserving these things. Gosh, this thing is, look at this bad boy. This is a big boy tomato. I would agree, big boy. One I think is gonna go on tonight's hamburgers. Another one. So I've already done one harvest of these cucumbers, and I just came back here and these things grow like crazy. I mean, this is obscene. I would try to make pickles and ferment them. I'll show you a little bit later what they came out like, and they didn't come out so great, so at least I've got plenty to try again. You know what is really great appetizer with these? Fresh slices of cucumber. You get a nice piece, a nice cracker like the Benton crackers, and you get the Philadelphia cream cheese with jalapenos on it. Oh, it tastes like summer. Look at me calling, trying to give away some of these cucumbers. Good day, Miss Maggie. This is Diane calling. I have an abundance of cucumbers. So when you step out your front porch, just take a look down because I'm gonna have some cucumbers and some tomatoes and some fresh green beans right there for you. Love ya, bye. Checking on my purple pepper, look who showed up.
Well, there's Mr. Hornworm. Hey, buddy. He's got the larvae all over him.
Look at that.
So this is taken over the back portion of the house, just about. This is my little pumpkin patch. I'm having a family reunion, and it's going to be at the end of October, beginning of November, and I had the idea of planting pumpkins for all the grandkids so they can pick their own pumpkins, and they're growing like weeds. Look at this little baby right here. So I may be pulling the harvest right now for August, but this garden's not done. I just replanted some snow peas that I had early in the season, so they just went in here, and some arugula, because I just love arugula. And we're gonna throw in some carrots. Here's my micro arugula. You ever had micro seeds? Micro greens? This is it. Micro, tiny, green. Oh. So good. So depending on your growing zone, we're in 7A, you can right now in August put in some snow peas, you can put in carrots, you can put in beets, you can put in lettuce, arugula, like I said, spinach is a great one, and you can just keep eating all the way up until Thanksgiving. And oh my gosh, is anybody allergic to cucumber? Like the cucumber leaves? Every time I go in there, I come out just itchy, itchy, itchy. Like, I don't know. It's going to be the taste test of my half sour pickles. I don't know. It was a good recipe. It looked like it. Ooh, it's kind of mushy. I didn't think it was supposed to be this mushy.
It's good.
It's mushy. Actually, it tastes good. I just don't like the texture. Like the outside is crispy, but the meaty stuff is like slimy. But it tastes good. Hello, Maggie. How are you?
And the top of the afternoon to you. I'm fine. You rang?
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am. I have an abundance of cucumbers and tomatoes, and I was wondering if you'd like to eat them. I would be happy to bring them over and let you enjoy.
We are going away.
That's right.
He tells me the answer is yes.
He says the answer is yes, that you want me to bring them over?
Yeah, we're coming right back now. We're in, where are we? We're in Gainesville, and so we're coming home now. 20 minutes out. 20, you said 20 years, right?
20 years.
It's probably about half an hour. We've got traffic.
Well,
Yeah.
I'll bring you some fresh eggs also.
Okay.
All right.
See you then.
I'll see you in a little
Okay.
bit. Bye. We have another problem. I don't have enough time to can these guys. We're headed out of town first thing in the morning, and I have to pack. But I didn't want them to rot. So I'm giving some to Maggie, but that's not gonna cut it. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to put them in the freezer bag. Anybody else done that before? If you've put these guys in just a freezer bag and frozen them, drop a note in the comments, tell me it can be done and that they taste great. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of them.